Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about SQL databases and we're going to create it. So as usual, you can go to the search bar and search for the databases, or you can go to the all services and under the database you can check the SQL databases. Yeah, there you go. So now you can go ahead and create. So let's I don't have any resources right now, so let's go ahead and create one. So in this case I'm creating the MRT, and let's click OK. And coming to the database, let us give it as db1 database, and we don't have any server right now, so let's go ahead and create one. And let me give the name as SQL Server. Just to be unique, I added my starting three letters. Okay, let me give the admin username and password. So it's SQL database, SQL user, and password. So it's done. Click OK. Okay, let me save it. Okay, here I did some mistake. Okay, let's go to the process. So in this case I'm selecting the local redundant backup, it's the cheap option right now, and I'm selecting the public endpoint and allow the service and resources to access from the server, yes, and I'm keeping everything as default. I don't want any free trial right now, so let's select some sample existing data and no tags, and just go ahead and review and create. Hopefully there should be no error right now. Let's wait for a few moments. Should be done. Let's go to the all resources. Let me refresh. Might take a lot of time. There you go. So you can see the server has been created. Let's wait for the DB. I think it's taking some time. I don't know like what exactly. There you go. I think it has been created. So here you can see the query editor. Just go to that and let's click OK. Let's click OK. So as you can see, we got some error. So we have to change the firewall rules. For that, we have to go to the review and set server firewall. Let us add a client. Let us save it. So it's basically my public IP. So it's done. Let's go ahead and try now. There we go. So now you can see whenever like when we went to the firewall settings, there we have given our public IP address. Using that, now we can access it. So actually the firewall isn't stopping that. So let's go ahead and copy the query and run it. So as we have used the sample data, as you can see, we can retrieve the data. So this is how you can create your own database, and this is a database server. So hope you guys have understood the concept of creating the database and retrieving the content from it. So this is just a sample that we have took from the Microsoft Docs. So if you are interested, you can go to the GitHub page and work out on your own. So hope you guys have understood the concept. If you like the video, please click the icon below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys.